When I started SoFine, I started working on LES and MES. It was very challenging because it's a project that has more than thousands of production lines. During that time, I was support specialist, and in the last few months before leaving the support, I worked as shift leader. Later, I became a solution consultant. On the past 6 months, I started developing on the same project. What I most enjoy at SoFine is the creativity and the scalability that it's offered. I have currently creativity to develop my MES ideas. It's a position that is allowing me to expand my know-how. I think that the key for longevity at SoFine is having some patience. Good environment is essential, but most important it's the opportunities that SoFine offers when they recognize that we gain experience. I am proud of working on support. I believe that I provided good solutions. It was a position that I challenged me for that, and I think I'm in a good path. My advice to the newcomers is to be careful when working on production servers, but most important, be curious, be humble, and sometimes take risks.